Hi, this is just a method I want to demonstrate of how to clean up balances of credit cards that happen to have like a parent-child relationship. So some credit card companies will have their bank feeds come through. Each card holder has their own feed, and then it kind of rolls up under the whole account. Chase credit cards is a common one that I've seen this way. But that's just an example. I'm sure there are others. I mean, in a sample company within QuickBooks right now, so this is not real information. The way you set this up on your balance on your chart of accounts, excuse me, is first of all to set up a parent credit card account as the main account, and then two sub accounts or however many cards you have, a sub account for each individual card, and I call them a child card here. So we have two child cards under the main account. When you look at the register for the parent account, you will see all of the transactions for every child or sub account underneath it. That can get a little confusing because some people want to know what the balance is on an individual card. So for this one, for example, the credit card one actually has a negative balance because there has a payment that was posted for the entire account, but it was posted just to this one card. So it looks a little odd. And this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to do a journal entry to clean this up, and so you can kind of see more clearly what that looks like on your balance sheet. So typically I would date the journal entry as of the date of the statement. So I'm going to do a new journal entry right here, and we're going to pretend that the statement date is the 25th of the month. And what we're going to do is basically clear out the child accounts and post everything to the parent account. So our child account one has a negative 3244, which in this case, child account one is actually a debit balance. So I'm going to credit 3244. The child account two has a balance of a positive 55, which actually for a credit card is a liability. So it therefore has a normal credit balance. So I'm going to debit that one. Child account two for 55. And then the parent account is going to have the balance, which in this case is a credit. So we're going to clear that out. And I'm going to put, if I post this now, I can go to my account, go to my chart of accounts, and I will see that each child account now has a zero balance and everything is in the parent credit card. Also, when you run a report of your balance sheet, you'll see this. So I'm going to run a report for the current one, well, as of today. So here we have our child account. So now we have zero balance in each child account and everything is in the parent account. So this kind of helps you track. During the month, you'll see the individual transactions kind of pile up in the different child accounts. But at the end of the month, you'll clear all that out so that you can see the total account is actually $22.56.